LizardTech was founded to build business solutions from technologies created by leading research organizations. Now they're celebrating the 20th anniversary of the MrSID technology and a variety of new products. Jon Skiffington is here with me to tell me more. Jon, what is it that makes the MrSID software so popular?
Well, the software, we're celebrating our 20th anniversary, and 20 years ago especially, when you had really, really large image data sets, there was really no way to really view those on your computer. And of course now we don't consider those to be large files, 100 megabytes in size. But obviously as times have changed, images continue to get larger and larger. So with the MrSID technology, it allows you to compress those images down to a very small file size, but still keep the visual quality very high. So in a lot of situations, the image will be 5% of their original file size, and yet still the human eye can't tell the difference between the original image and a compressed image. So you can imagine some of the opportunities that's provided. Now you can work with these huge hundreds of gigabyte, terabyte sized data sets right on your desktop. You can transfer them much easily over networks onto mobile devices. So it's really made large imagery usable for the desktop GIS environment.
You're also demonstrating some other software products during the conference. Which products have drawn the most interest and why?
Well, we have the compression technology. That's sort of the first part of the equation. But the second part is to deliver that imagery out over the web, over the internet, to mobile devices. So for that we call it Express Server. It's a server technology, server product for delivering large images over really any bandwidth, any connection speed, very, very quickly get those images out into the field. And people are really excited about it, not only because it's the fastest way to serve MrSID imagery, but also because it integrates with so many other products as well. You can bring it into your ArcGIS image server, into ArcGIS server, as well as a number of other third-party server technologies. It's very easy to integrate with desktop applications as well as web applications as well. So there's been a lot of excitement about that.
Yeah. How are the latest software developments changing or affecting the market?
Well, certainly, we're so concerned about imagery with what we work with the types of sensors that are being deployed now, with some of the new satellites that are being put up, the volume of imagery, it just continues to increase. Lori Jordan yesterday at the imagery keynote mentioned that it's not going to be too long until the majority of the Earth is going to be visited at least once a day by a satellite. So the amount of data that's being collected on a regular basis is huge, as well as they're starting to collect more and more bands. It's not just RGB anymore. It's near infrared and coastal bands and all these other bands that get used for analysis purposes. So that just makes the volume of data larger and larger and larger. So it means we need to continue to modify and improve the MrSID format, which we've been doing over the past couple of years.
Sounds great. Thank you so much.
Thank you.